You need to watch this if you constantly overcommit and forget yourself. I'll show you 3 easy moves to find balance during the new moon in Libra. No crystals required. The new moon in Libra nudges you like a clipboard. Make things fair, make them beautiful, stop tipping the scales. Step 1. Check the ledger. Libra rules relationships and negotiation. Start by listing where you give more than you get. Emotionally, time-wise, financially. Write down 3 things you can realistically adjust this lunar cycle. Keep it specific. Say I'll decline 1 social invite a week instead of be less busy. Step 2. Redecorate your inner court. Libra loves harmony, so create 1 small habit that restores calm. A 5-minute morning pause, a weekly phone-free dinner, a quick gratitude note before bed. These micro-rituals signal to your brain and your people that balance is the new normal. Step 3. Speak your terms, clearly and kindly. Libra is the diplomat of the zodiac. Use that energy to set boundaries with compassion. Practice 1 short phrase. I can't right now, but I can on Friday. I'm choosing X instead. Say it once. Mean it. Then breathe. This new moon is perfect for recalibrating relationships, including the one you have with yourself. Pick 1 ledger item, 1 tiny ritual, and 1 boundary to try this lunation. If you do all 3, you'll feel lighter, clearer, surprisingly graceful about saying no. Want a quick checklist to follow tonight? Check out our website at moonphase.today.